How are you, ma'am? How are you
I'm
doing?
great. I'm doing absolutely well. You tell me, how are you?
Yeah, I'm always occupied with my work, so I have been bit busy. Okay, things have been bit rough lately, but it's okay, fine.
Okay, that's amazing attitude. So, can you please tell me something about yourself?
So already you know my name.
Mhm.
How do you know?
Because that's written over there.
Okay, so my
Ah,
name is reflecting on your screen.
right.
Okay, so my name is Jaffer, and basically I'm connecting with you from Kolkata. And about me in terms of my education, so I have just completed 10 classes standard, and after that I quit everything related to my studies. And if I will tell you what I'm doing for my living, so by profession I am a driver, so I have been with this profession since a decade. So, and I have my own YouTube channel which is based on spoken English, Jaffor Driver Talk. So it's all about me.
That's amazing. That's amazing. There is this another person just like you. He's also an auto driver,
Yeah,
right?
I
He
know,
also
I
has
know.
a YouTube channel. So
Yes,
these
I know.
days, these days, it's so inspirational to watch people like you who are doing, like, you know what, these kind of jobs are kind of inferior. Like, people take it as inferior, but now you are going to change their perspective. When people will see you and they'll watch your videos, their perspective is definitely going to change,
Yeah,
right?
I'm always thinking that I'm inferior because in front of you people like so knowledgeable people, I'm nothing in front of those kinds of people. No, so that's the reason I'm trying to enhance my communication skills because change is painful and there is a lot of painful. You will stuck somewhere. No, so it could be better if I get any chance to talk with anyone and for my better life. So that's why I'm practicing. Yeah.
A long time ago, I visited your channel, and you had lots of videos with Rini Rose ma'am, right?
Yeah, yes, of
Mm.
course. How did you stumble out on my channel?
I don't know how. I just, stumbled upon your video when I was scrolling my feed. So there I saw your video and I watched quite a few, and the conversations were wonderful.
Actually, I was liking most at that moment. I was taking some classes from the English area.
Hmm.
So one of the most important tutor was there. So Rini Rose ma'am, and so I like most her. So that's the reason I took several sessions with her. Yeah.
Hmm. So do you give all the credit to English Yari for your communication skills, or you're doing something else as well?
No, it doesn't matter that how session you are taking from the English area because they don't teach how you can speak. But yes, sometime I had a tutor English area, so
Hmm.
I have got so many experience and I have got so many encouragement from them. No, because you can start your journey unabashedly, then you will feeling that you have a lot of innovation. So how can overcome from your innovation? So that's the reason I was not getting any environment. I was not getting any proper way how I can converse to the people. So that's the reason I was not getting any chance from the YouTuber, and maybe they have their own choice, they don't want to talk with me. So that's the reason I was taking some classes from the English area.
Hmm. So
Yeah.
you started taking class from the very beginning when you started your journey, or after some time you went for classes?
No, my first session was English area. So
Hmm.
that's how I have started my journey because I was nothing at that moment.
Hmm.
So this is that was the my scratch level, but
Hmm.
I have eventually I could say that I have got a wonderful platform where I can explore myself now.
Right, right. Even
Yeah.
I also once enrolled to English Yari sessions, and I took around 17 sessions from there, and those were wonderful. I learned a lot of things like how to structure your thoughts and pronunciation,
Yeah.
intonation. So those sessions were definitely helpful. But I would say we just can't rely on sessions only. We have to do that self practice as well, right? That self
Yeah.
study as well. And consistency should be there. So we just can't wait for the session to happen and then go for speaking practice. But apart from that, practice speaking with your co-learners and then do the self talk as well all day long,
Hmm.
so that would definitely help.
Yes, I have already gone through your channel. No, your all the session are really second to none, I would say. So it was exceptional. No, so each and
Thank
every
you so
session you are doing great job. Yeah.
Thank you so much. So what's on your mind today? Do you have anything specific to talk about?
No, this is the first interaction between us, no.
Mm-hmm.
So general conversation, we can discuss about the general chit chat, no. So we
Mm-hmm.
don't want to do it to go any deeply, any session
Mm-hmm.
or like that. So you
Sure.
can ask me any type of questions. If
Mm-hmm.
aspiring over in your head that you need to
Mm-hmm.
inquiries, you can shoot out.
Right. Right. So, can we talk about your hobbies? Like, what do you do in your leisure time?
Actually, ma'am, being a diver, sometime I would like to play carom, and uh, I'm from a village background family. No, I'm a farmer background family, so I don't have any leisure time. All the time, I'm occupied with my work. So if I will get any leisure time, so I fully involved with my father, farmer family.
Mm-hmm.
It's a high season of harvesting the foods, harvesting the paddy field. So that's the reason I didn't get any chance to go out or do another activity. So
Right.
all the time I'm busy really.
Right. So you're loaded with responsibilities. That is why you don't get any free time. Even when you get
Yeah,
free time, you try to do something productive out of it, right?
of
So
course.
that's amazing. And anyone ever got influenced by you that you are speaking English so well despite being a auto driver, right? Anyone ever got influenced from you?
Of course, there are so many people. They always watch my videos, and they are very
Mm-hmm.
thankful for my videos.
Mm-hmm.
And they got inspiration from my side because they already have started their journey. Because
Mm-hmm.
if I could do, so Indian can do. No, so
Right. Right.
that's the reason they are also preparing that they must be fluent with this language. But I
Mm-hmm.
have always suggested to them that you have to talk to much more and more. No, so if
Mm-hmm.
you will talk in random people, then you can get the good fluency. Otherwise it could be not possible. People, if you have adequate knowledge about this language, no, so
Mm-hmm.
thoroughly you need to express yourself to other people. So one-to-one session is need. So
That's
that's the reason.
wonderful.
Yeah.
So you are inspiring lots of people out there, but what was your inspiration back then?
No, I don't have inexplicable, no, because I didn't get any chance yet
Mm-hmm.
to for my better life. But in
Mm-hmm.
future I just want to like a water, no. So if you'll
Mm-hmm.
food anywhere, just it will take the sold.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise I didn't get any opportunity, to be honest, for my better life. But
Mm-hmm.
I am fully involved with my work because driving is my bread and butter, so I can't change now. But
Mm-hmm.
yes, in future definitely, if I will get any chance to do work in high level company, and if I will get any high salary from there, so then definitely
Mm-hmm.
I will join.
Okay, that's amazing and good to know. But my question was something like people are getting lots of inspiration from you. You are influencing other people. But
Hmm.
when you started your journey back then, what was your inspiration? What was your source of inspiration?
Okay, okay. So no one not motivated me
Mm-hmm.
since I have already quit everything related to my studies. It has already been 12 years now. So I have little bit experience about this language. So I was watching before go to the bed. I was watching the some role models videos, some of my role models, and Priyanka Chopra, Gaur Gopal Das, Buddhism. You knows better that. So these kinds of videos I love to watch those content. No. So one day I was thinking that I can understand. I can able to understand each and everything in English. So why should I not try to speak out from my side? No. So that was the time fostered me to come closer, led me to come closer to uh, speaking English. No, so yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So particularly, I would say no one not motivated to me to
Mm-hmm.
learn this language actually. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So we can say that no one motivated you, but you're self-motivated person,
Yes,
right?
of course, of course.
That's amazing. That's
Yeah,
amazing. So
indeed.
was it difficult for you to be consistent initially when you started?
Yes, of course. I have facing plenty of difficulties with my practice and how could I pronounce the right word? No, because I'm from West Bengal, so tend to use our mother tongue. So no one is there. I didn't got any opportunity. I didn't get any people where I can practice. So that's the reason. Sometime influence my mother tongue. So it
Mm-hmm.
was my biggest problem at that moment, initial day when I have started. But sometime I was not getting any appropriate word, and how can I use some idioms and phrases like that? Because everyone uh, want to tell any advanced level English, no. So I was trying a lot to use some advanced level vocabularies. So if you will watch my entire video in previous sessions, and that definitely I have used very concrete word, no, nowadays. So
Right,
yeah,
right.
yeah.
Because when I started my English journey, that time I watched your video and I was not able to understand like 80% of it because you were using lots of advanced word that time.
Yes,
But now
yes.
I can definitely understand because I've been in this journey for quite some time now. So now
Yeah,
I can understand. But
yeah.
that's good. It's totally upon you what kind of English you want to speak, basic or advanced. That's totally upon you. But what
Yeah.
is your aim with this English language?
Okay, so all right. So if I will tell my in future what I want to be in future, so definitely I would like to see myself as a tutor or mentor in this language, no, because in my local area there are poor family, so poor family always found it make to difficult, so make to ends meet, no. So don't able to purchase any subscription plan from the any platform, so they need to help. So if I would like to see myself as a tutor with this language, so definitely I'm going to help to the person, no, without any cost. So because they are lacking for the student, they are not able to admit their student in English medium school. So that's the reason I need to help some people. Yeah, so uh, it's my aim like that.
That's amazing. You're so generous, I must say, and you want to do something for society. That's so good. That's so good. Okay, so do you speak in English in someone in your family too, with someone in your family?
No, in my family, no one not educated as well, and they don't know
Mm-hmm.
how to speak in English. Even they don't
Mm-hmm.
know alphabet in English. So that's
Okay.
the reason I want to just change my old trajectory in my family members. No,
Mm-hmm.
because it could be helpful for my upcoming generation if
Mm-hmm.
they will know that I know better English. So then definitely they will try to enhance their communication skills, and they can
Mm-hmm.
get the better life. No, yeah.
Right. But do you think that it's really very important to know ABCD of English and then only you can speak so well? Because I noticed when once I was roaming around in Jodhpur, there I saw there were some guides and they were
Hmm,
so young, like little kids, and they were
hmm,
speaking so well. And they learned this language from foreigners, like
yeah.
speaking with foreigners or just observing howsoever they are talking. So they learned from there. So do you think it's really very important? Because they never went to school, but then also
Okay.
they were speaking well.
Okay, so it's a amazing question for you, because if anyone not educated as well, so they can able to speak in English, because it's only depend on your environment. No, even uh, in my family or in my local area, kids are ready to speak with you in Hindi. No, so from where they can learn this Hindi language, because always they are prefer to watch some cartoon videos and Hindi movies. So that's the reason they are really appreciate and they are really ready to speak with Hindi. So it's only depend on your environment. So if you are telling right, some guides and some tourist areas, they are always talking with the foreigners people. So then definitely they would like love to talk with you. So
Mhm,
but one thing is really matter that they know English, but not such a good amount of vocabularies or
mhm,
idioms like that, because only they can convey their thoughts only minimum possible word. So they are
mhm,
not fluent.
mhm,
You can't consider to them that they are fluent. So but yes,
mhm.
it's very important. If I will go to America, so if I'm not educated as well, so then definitely within few months later you will able to speak with them in English.
Right.
Yeah.
It's about exposure. The more exposure you'll get, the better
Mhm.
you'll become at it, right? So it's not
Yes.
about, people say that we are from Hindi medium
Mm,
schools or we are from vernacular medium, so that is why
mm.
we are not fluent. So that are just excuses. Do you agree with me?
Yeah, of course.
Right? Because
I'm
it's all
quite.
about exposure.
Yeah, of
Mm.
course.
Okay. So do you have any questions for me?
So this is the first meeting, so I can't ask you any type of question. So second time, if I will connect with you, so definitely I will ask some questions, some inquiries about yourself.
Okay,
Because
that's good.
literally, I would say your speaking is so deliberately, and you're speaking like a tutor. Really appreciate your voice. You have a captivating voice, no? So really
Thank you
neat.
so much.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so
And
much.
I am also an aspiring tutor. I want to become a good tutor in future. So
Uh,
maybe I am on the right track then, because you are complimenting me on that. So that means I'm on the right path, right?
yes, yeah, absolutely,
Mm-hmm.
you are on right path. So definitely you can do whatever
Mm-hmm.
you want to achieve in your future.
Right. Okay. So yes, it was lovely talking to you. So we'll meet some other day with some topic or
Thank you.
questions.
Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you very much.
Okay
Bye.
then. Bye. Take care.